Yes, we're working on it, no? We're looking at the design pa, and then at least na-inform na to ang mga different district and provincial hospitals. And I'm sure everything else would follow from then, you know, and I'm hoping and I'm expecting that others would also follow the same.
With that, ganun what you feeling with that policy go para especially sa healthcare access?
Of course, we want to be fair also, no? We don't want to any discrimination on that sense, no? Kaya dili sa probinsya sa Subo, we are fair. Walay Cebuano nga mabiyaan gyud. So everybody is included. We are into inclusion. Yes. Thank you very much.
Message na lang to
Yeah.
the Pride community.
Yeah, happy Pride. This is a very wonderful culmination of our Pride month, no? And I'm happy to see nga daghan kaayo diri karon ni attend, so from all over the province and all over the city, no? So gikalipay na kog dako nga daghang ning appeal ani. Thank you kaayo. At least ang mga Cebuanos, they're very open-minded about this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.